3, 2, 1, go. 330. 5 right at the end. And flat 4 left over gravel maybe. 130. Hug. 5 left. 5 right. 80. 2 right. Tightens to 3 right. 60, fast 5 right, 40 up middle, turn long, hairpin left, drive. 2 left, into slow, left on crest and stop square left, don't. 3 right and tight. 3 right, zippy maybe, a flat 2 left, into long, 3 right. Late tight 3 left and 2 left, tightens the fast forward the 3, opens the flat 2 and along 3 right, into tight 3 right, don't, and 40 flat 1 left, C, 5 left at the bottom, it's tight, 80, fast, 3 right over gravel, maybe, narrows in the exit, 230, fast 3 left, 100, turn square right. Flat 2 right. 100. Flat 2 right again. 150. Flat 2 right. 100. 2 left. And tight. Fast 3 right. Hug. Keep 150. Keep right. For flat 2 left. 130. Flat 2 right. 200 up the middle. Chicane right entry. 4. Right for 60, flat, 2 left, oh you're that, and flat 1 right, 300, to chicane, left entry, 4, and flat 1 right, 80, flat 1 left, into flat crest, 80, flat 1 left and flat 2 right, and flat 1 left, 230 down the middle, slot square left, tail outside. Flat 2 right over crest, 100, fast, 3 right, 40, flat 2 left, 170, chicane right entry 5, and long, flat 1 left over crest, and flat 2 right, 60, flat 1 right over the crest, 130 down the middle, 2 left to 130, for fast square left, small gravel inside, 450 over up the middle of our rough. Long 1 right over crest. Continues for 200 over rough. And caution 1 left. Rough braking only 60. Chicane right entry 4. Okay. 80 over rough then. Flat 2 left, 100, tight, 3 right past the junction, 40, very long, 2 right nips, 130, hook 2 left and start fast, 5 right, 170, flat 1 right, 150, flat 2 left, opens to very long, flat 1, 170, 1 right, and crest, and chicane right entry forwards, tight. 130. Flat 2 right, 130 again. Flat 2 right, into crest, flat 2 left, 400. Chicane left entry 4. 80. Turn hairpin left, drive, gravel, stay neat. long, 1 left, continues into 2 left, don't, 60 up, fast, 4 right. And flat 1 left, continues over, flat crest, 200 over crest, caution, long tight, 3 left. And flat, 1 right, 100 over rough. Flat 3 right, don't fucking lift, 130. Flat crest, flat 2 left and flat 1 right. Very long 1 right over crest and 2 right past the fence, 250, slot 5 right. And flat 2 left, the long flat 2 right, 130, fast 3 right, opens to long 2, 60, flat 3 left, 150, chicane left entry, 4, 150 over finish. On you, boy. Okay. Karl. Good day. Not much left there.
No.